Welcome back to Twin Individuality. So today we are coming back at you with the video that we promised when we did the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette video. We said that we would do a week with the palette, and we would take pictures of our looks to show you what looks we got from the palette. So we did, I don't know that we did a complete, did you do 5 days?
No.
I know I didn't do a 7, but we did quite a few days.
I did 4 days.
Well, that was most of the week.
Because you caught me the first day you did one and I didn't do it.
But we have, I think, enough looks for you to see what that palette looks like on us, and some of the different looks you can get from the palette.
And how the palette is, I think, sort of work appropriate, even though it's kind of colorful.
Yeah, because even the greens are what I would call kind of like a neutral green, so it doesn't look like you're going to work with a screaming teal green eye look on, so you can kind of get away with it. If you want to see that video or our looks, stay tuned. But before that, we want to tell you what we're wearing on our lips today, and she's gonna go first.
I am wearing a nude, part of a 4-piece nude collection from Doll 10. So Lord knows I want to tell you the right thing. It is the Lip Rouge lipstick by Doll 10, and I have it in the color Alter Ego, and I feel like I have discovered my perfect nude. I can put this on with no lip liner on, and this is what it looks like.
And
my lips.
I have on one of the matte classic lipsticks, and it is Rebel, which is what that looks like. But I put it on today with the Cyber World lip liner, so it looks a little bit darker than it would look standing on its own on my lip. Although I don't know if I could wear it on my... Seriously, is that what you want to do right now? Okay. So I don't know what this would look like on its own. Just, I don't know if I probably could wear it by itself, but I just felt like I needed a little bit more dimension today, so I just used the Cyber World lip liner.
I ain't want no dimension. I wanted to be like real neutral and downplay all my makeup today. I think I just didn't want to look like a corpse. So
alrighty. So if you want to see our eye looks from last week, right? Last week or week before?
Last
week.
Yeah.
Because see, I cheated a little bit, and I used the I think it was Friday that I used the Urban Decay palette.
Okay.
But stay tuned.
Bye.